checking out the Breville Barista Touch. Mostly I'm going to go over of what we like and don't like about this touch compared to the older Express, and they are quite similar but very different in how they operate. So the machine is quite simple to use. You just put your coffee beans in the hopper here, and then you got the grinder that grinds them, and they fall into the cup here just like that. And then you have a tamper here that pulls out, it's magnetic, and then you can tamp the ground coffee. And then once you get this in here, then you choose what kind of drink you want. So let's say we want an Americano here. And then here we are presented with some options. And you can adjust here the duration and the size of the grind. And you have a knob here on the side where you can adjust it and make it finer or coarser. So we found that 12 is pretty good for us. And the screen is interactable, so anything you touch, you can adjust. So here we can adjust how many seconds it grinds for. So for the cup that we're using, 10 is the right amount. And here you can choose the size of the cup, either it's a double or a single. And then we have the brew here in the middle, and here you can actually customize it too. You can make it large, medium, or small, the brew. So, and then we got a special button just for hot water, and if we push that, it's gonna heat up the water and start spraying it out of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. And then at the very right here, we have the milk frothing. Also is quite unique about the touch is because it does have its own sensor here. And when you put the milk in the cup and put the wand inside and set it down on the sensor, when you turn it on, it's going to froth it until a certain temperature, which for this drink it's set at 160. Even though this thing has a lot of features and everything, it seems like the process of making one is definitely more cumbersome compared to a manual Express where you do everything yourself.